Dear parents, the Grade 5 scholarship examination is not the end of your child's education journey. In fact, it is the beginning of a new chapter and one of the best opportunities that could invest in your child's future. So in today's world, one of the most important skills that every child needs to succeed is the ability to use English confidently and effectively. That's why Readwrite College of Education proudly organizing a 100% free special career and English guidance workshop for the students, those who have completed their scholarship examination. During this workshop, parents and students will receive valuable guidance of our specially designed programs, including 3 months Fast English Foundation program, phonics reading class, and our public speaking programs. So you will discover how these programs will help your child improve their English, build confidence, and develop their strong reading skills and prepare for academic success. And that's not all. We have also planned a fun-filled day for your children with face painting, ice cream treats, exciting games and activities, and many more surprises. So join us on Saturday, 15th of August at 10 a.m. at RWCE Campus, Katunayake. Seats are limited, so call us to reserve your child's seats and for more information.